It is 1:30 a.m. You are dead tired, your eyes are burning. You have to wake up in 5 hours for a job that steals your soul. But instead of sleeping, you are watching a documentary about the history of cheese. You aren't an insomniac, you are angry, and you are taking revenge. They call it Revenge Bedtime Procrastination. It sounds fancy, but it's actually very simple. It means you feel like you have zero control over your life during the day. Think about it. From 9 to 5, you belong to your boss or your clients. From 5 to 6, you belong to the commute or the traffic. From 6 to 8, you belong to chores, cooking, or calling your mom. By the time you finally sit down on the couch, it's 10 p.m. If you go to sleep now, you are basically just fast-forwarding to work tomorrow. You are teleporting straight back to the grind. Your brain hates that. Your brain is screaming for me time. And since you couldn't get me time during the day, you steal it from the night. You are trading sleep for freedom. You are staying up late scrolling Reddit or re-watching The Office because it is the only time of day when nobody wants anything from you. It feels like a rebellion. You are telling the universe, I exist, but the universe doesn't care. The universe just makes you look like a zombie. Think of your willpower like a crappy iPhone battery. You start the day at 100%. You spend 20% dragging yourself out of bed. You spend 40% pretending to care. You spend 30% trying not to scream at the news. By the time you get home, you are at 5%. You literally don't have enough battery left to make the responsible decision. You don't have the energy to brush your teeth and put on pajamas. So you take the path of least resistance. You lie there, paralyzed, letting the algorithm feed you videos of hydraulic presses crushing gummy bears. So how do we fix this without quitting our jobs and moving to a van in the desert? Strategy 1. The power down ritual. Stop treating sleep like a cliff you jump off. You can't go from answering work emails to unconscious in 5 minutes. Set an alarm for an hour before bed. Not a sleep alarm, but a stop doing stuff alarm. Put the phone in the other room. Seriously. If you bring the phone to bed, you lose. The algorithm is smarter than you. It knows exactly what meme will keep you awake. Strategy 2. Steal time earlier. You are staying up late because you feel cheated. So, cheat back during the day. Take a longer lunch break. Watch a funny video while you're on the toilet at work. If you reclaim little pockets of me time while the sun is up, look, sleeping isn't giving up, it's recharging the weapon. If you stay up until 3 a.m., you are actually just ruining the next day. You are borrowing happiness from tomorrow. And the debt collector is a migraine. So put the phone down. The cheese documentary will still be there tomorrow. Go to sleep. You have a meeting to survive in the morning. Bye.